So moving right along, underneath the main section, all we have left is the footer. And so, throw in a comment for the footer. And then we're on to the CSS. Footer class of footer, div class of footer address, inside of the footer address, footer address line. This is Rankin's address. Copy that div, paste it, throw in the city, state, zip. Paste the line again. Throw in the phone number. And then we'll throw in a little more content. FlexShop 2019, close the div, close the footer, close the body. So that is the end of the markup. I got that down to 157 lines of code, lots of copy and paste. Let's double check my footer. All that looks good. Looking good. Let me look at the page at this point. Added a footer in the lower left after all our list items. All that's looking good. Let me go ahead and stop the recording and we'll get started in the next video with the CSS.